videos I have already given and you known about syllabus of BA third sem English literature. We have some portion of background in our syllabus. In the last 2 semesters, I mean in BA part 1, you have studied background which was related with the poetry section. In this year also we have background which is related with prose sections. Actually there are 6 topics in these prose sections, but out of 6 we have to study 3 sections in this 3rd semester and remaining 3 portions are in 4th semester. Now these 3 chapters that we have in the 3rd semester, that is essay, novel and the short story. We are going to start with the essay. About essay we have studied poetries, essays, short story. Since your 5th standard or before that also, since your 1st standard, we are already aware about the essays, poems and short stories, whatever may be the language, it may be in Marathi, Hindi or English. You have studied various essays written by various essayists. But here for the first time we are going to study what is meant by essay. As far as there are various writers who tried their best to define essay, but actually there is no satisfactory definition of essay, as it is a form of literature and we can't bind any form of literature in the words. Actually we can find the meaning, but we can't define as it very well. There are various definitions of essays. Dr. Johnson first defines essay in his words. He says essay means loose sally of mind. Only 3 proper words are there in this definition. What is meant by essay? Essay means loose sally of mind. We can find out the meaning. Loose सैल, सॅली म्हणजे कसरत, काम, माइंड मन, दिमाग. मनानं केलेली एक सैलपणाची कसरत म्हणजेच निबंध. Dr. Johnson says here kasrat means it is an art, but we are not going to satisfy with this definition, and therefore another definition which is near to the meaning of essay, which is given by Oxford Dictionary. What Oxford Dictionary says? Oxford Dictionary defines essay as a composition of moderate length, composition of moderate length on any particular subject or branch of subject. What is it? अ कंपोजिशन म्हणजे निर्मिती, कंपोज करणे, बनविणे. कंपोजिशन ऑफ मॉडरेट लेंथ लांबी, मॉडरेट इट इज नॉट अ क्लिअर वर्ड, इट इज अ अनक्लिअर. मॉडरेट म्हणजे सोभेसी, साजेशा लांबीची कलाकुसर ऑन एनी पर्टिक्युलर सब्जेक्ट ऑर ब्रँच ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. एखाद्या विशिष्ट विषयावर किंवा एखाद्या विशिष्ट विषयाच्या शाखेवर लिहिलेलं एक साजेसं लांबीचं काम म्हणजेच निबंध. नाउ साजेसे मीन्स व्हॉट? अगेन वी हॅव सम कन्फ्युजन. सम रायटर राइट्स essays of 5 or 10 pages. Still there are some writers who writes the essays within the 1 or 2 pages. Then how much length we have to granted? It is not clear in this definition, but even though we are aware that there should be 3 or 4 pages, we just granted 3 or 4 pages for the essays. And this is what the definition of Oxford English Dictionary. Then another writer, I am not discussing much writers here, but I have given the first definition of Dr. Johnson, then Oxford English Dictionary, and then third, there is one of the writer, famous writer, Saintsbury, who also describes Saintsbury, who says essay is nothing but it is a work of prose art. Here is a particular word, prose. गद्य कलेत केलेलं काम. Any work, any writing work, we can say any writing work which is written in a prose, that is called essay. But story is also written in the prose art. Therefore again there is a confusion, and therefore already I mentioned here that there is no satisfactory definition of essay, but we can understood what is a essay. Actually, why there is not a satisfactory definition, why it is difficult to define essay? Reason is that essay is not depend upon matter, but it depends upon manner. Essay is depend upon its structure, then what is written inside it. Because there are various writers who can select the various subjects. They can write on any subjects, but their presentation is important, that is a manner. Here there is one of a quote of W.H. Hudson, who says, the essay is essential personal, it is subjective. Who says? W.H. Hudson. What is the remark of W.H. Hudson? W.H. Hudson says that essay is essentially personal, and that's why it is a subjective. Now there are various criticism on this sentence also, but essay is written by that essayist, and therefore that essayist going to put his thoughts throughout that essay, and therefore essay is a personal. It is what the meaning of essay. Then we are going to discuss about the origin of essay. उगम, निबंधाचा जन्म कसा झाला? खास करून वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द इंग्लिश एसेज. द ओरिजिन ऑफ इंग्लिश एसेज इज एट्रिब्यूटेड टू द रोमन रायटर सिनेका and Cicero. They were the writers in Rome, and in their languages they have written in that period. Essay was not a word, but they have written the epistles. Epistles were much like a essay. Epistle means what? In that period, epistles were like a essays, and Seneca and Cicero has written their epistles. Epistles were like a essays, and therefore credit goes to this Roman writer Cicero and Seneca. Again, after these writers, there was another writer, Plutarch. Plutarch has written a book of essay named Moralia. The short essays were included in this book written by Plutarch, and especially on the moral subject, ethical subjects. Plutarch has written his essays on the moral subject, therefore he has given the name and title Moralia. And after this Plutarch, we came to the 10th century. 10व्या शतकापर्यंत आपण येऊन पोहोचतो. And in that period, there was a French writer whose name is Montaigne, who is a 10th century French writer. 10व्या शतकातील फ्रान्सचा एक लेखक होऊन गेला, त्याचं नाव मोंटॅग्नी. And Montaigne is supposed to be the first writer of personal essays. Montaigne's essays were subjective. He has written personal essay first, and therefore he is supposed to be the first writer of personal essays. And he has written whatever he has selected the subject, but he has given his individual point of view about that subject, and therefore his essays are subjective, and therefore he is the first writer of personal essay. This is what the origin, and we have seen meaning of these essays also. In the next video, I will tell you about the types of essays. There are 7 types of essays, and we will discuss these 7 types of essays in the next video. Till then, okay.